Hello, Michael. I would like to ask you a few questions about your new product, HomeLLM. I have my own business, so I am the one responsible for everything.
Good to see you again, Diane. I will be happy to explain it to you. You own your business and you are doing everything yourself. Answering messages, writing invoices, keeping track of jobs, fulfilling orders, checking the mail, paying bills, looking up repair tips, and trying to remember every detail about your customers.
Yes, I've been there. In fact, that is a good description of my life. It can be very confusing. I have my computer and software to help me organize all of my information, but with all of this, there's just so much information and it's tough to keep it all in order.
Picture this. You have one special box that plugs into your home computer. Inside that box lives a super smart helper who never sleeps, never forgets anything, and works for free. It reads all of your computer files, your customer notes, your old invoices, your repair instructions, everything.
Oh my goodness, that would take a lot of pressure off of me. I want to sign up now.
Of course, it's very easy too. It can write your emails and proposals the way you would. It reminds you about permits and schedules. It even answers questions from your phone while you're out on a job, or even while you're shopping.
Wow, that would take a lot of pressure off me. I want to sign up now. Help me, please.
Want to know the best part? Everything stays right in your house, so your private information never goes to some big company far away. It's like having your own personal office helper who lives in a box, but it only works for you and your business. That's the HomeLLM.